Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken stock for dogs. We will focus on a simple, safe, and nutritious recipe. First, gather your ingredients. About 2 to 3 pounds of raw or cooked chicken bones, 12 cups of filtered water, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Remember, safety is paramount. Never include onions, garlic, or any seasonings that could harm your beloved pet. Now, let's begin the preparation. Carefully place all your chicken bones into a large stock pot. Next, pour in about 12 cups of cold, filtered water, ensuring the bones are fully submerged by at least 2 inches. Then, add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This acidic addition is crucial as it helps to extract valuable minerals from the bones during the cooking process, enriching the final stock. Once your ingredients are combined, bring the pot to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. As soon as it boils, reduce the heat to the lowest setting, allowing it to simmer very gently. This long, slow simmer is key. Aim for at least 12 hours and up to 24 hours to extract maximum nutrients. Remember to periodically skim off any foam that appears, keeping your stock clear. After simmering, let the stock cool significantly before straining. Use a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove all bone fragments and solids, leaving only the liquid. Once strained, allow the stock to cool completely to room temperature. Then, pour it into airtight containers. You can refrigerate the stock for up to 5 days or freeze it in smaller portions for several months, making it convenient for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.